Good morning! Today is my first Christmas party. I am so excited. I can't wait. I'm gonna have dinner with my friends, and our yearly tradition is to do like a potluck dinner. And because I love to bake, I'm always in charge of the dessert. So today's gonna be a super fun day. Baking this afternoon and then getting ready, put a cute outfit on, and then go join my friends. I didn't want to stress out and just take it slow this morning, so I'm gonna finish up my tea, put everything in place, and then we're gonna get baking. Okay, so I took out all the ingredients, and this year I'm gonna make two desserts. I'll make a brownie and red velvet chocolate chip cookies. I usually make cupcakes every Christmas because I love decorating them with like Christmas themed decorations. Cupcakes are like my specialty if you want, but this year, I don't know, I wanted to do something different, and every time I bring these brownies and these cookies somewhere, they get devoured in like 2 seconds. So I thought I would do something different this year. So game plan, I'm gonna start with the cookies because you have to let them sit in the fridge for like an hour or so. And while they chill and cool in the fridge, I'm gonna make the brownies and bake them. I think this is gonna be the most efficient way. So let's get started. Okay, so now I have a nice red cookie dough. I'm gonna add half the chocolate chips in the dough, but then I'm gonna take like white chocolate chip afterwards to put on top to make them prettier. I'm gonna do this by hand because the dough was starting to get like thick because it's runny and it's not mixing well in the mixer. Now it's time to make little balls of cookies. I think I'm gonna try to have like 16. I think it does either like 8 big cookies or 16 smaller ones. I'm gonna stick with small ones because we're gonna have a lot of food. And there you go, cookies are done. Don't worry, I'm not gonna cook them as is. I'm gonna cook half of them at a time, but for chilling in the fridge, it's gonna be great like this. Okay, so now it's time to clean some of these off and bake the brownies. So brownies out, and now it's time to bake the cookies. Look how cute they look already. All done! Look at this, it's so cute and it smells so good. Can't wait to eat this tonight. I'm just gonna put them in like cute little Christmas box and we're ready to go. Alright, so hair's done, makeup is done, outfit done. Just wanted to do a quick fit check before going. I went with this sweater dress after all because I couldn't wait to wear it. So let's get going. It's Christmas Eve, which means it's my big family party tonight. Every year, my parents host at their house. It's like a tradition. So, a lot of food and a lot of fun tonight. Good morning. Merry Christmas, lady. We just finished opening all our gifts. Let me show you what I got. I'm super excited about them. First thing, I got a mini flash for my camera. I wanted one for a while now. I just didn't know which one was actually good because I bought like a little digital camera. Like this summer I started using it, and what was missing is like a little flash to take photos during the night, and it's like so cute, so practical to bring with you anywhere when you go out with your friends. So very excited to try this one. Next, another thing I was eyeing again for a little while, a pair of earrings from the brand 20 Compass. I love them. They're from Montreal, and look at these, like so chic, very old money looking. Oh my god, the sun is out. It's so fun. Really excited to wear them. I think you can dress them up or down. Like they're gonna be perfect for work, but also when I go out at night, my friends, or dinners. So really nice. And then something I can't wait to try, I'm gonna try it tonight, like for sure, the Medicube Booster Mini one. I've heard so much about this, like on TikTok and on Instagram. I didn't even open it yet, but apparently it really works. Like when you put your serums and your creams and you go over your face with this, it increases the effect of your products by like a lot. There is like a pro version and this mini one, but the mini is good enough for me. So yeah, I'm so happy. You have like little light modes, different light modes, and you go over your face with it. So yeah, very excited about this. Next, my parents gave me, my brother, and my sister-in-law new iWatches. I'm so grateful and so excited because mine was getting old and it was actually broken in the back because I just dropped it at one point on the floor and it cracked. So yeah, but it was still working, so that's why I didn't want to change it. But now the new SE3 went out like this fall, I think. So yeah, excited about this. I'm so happy. And finally, I don't know if you girls saw this viral mask from Biodance, like the collagen one, but they came out with a version for Costco that's so worth it. Like this big pack of 24 sheets is like nothing compared to the price you pay in like cosmetic stores, like K-beauty stores. So when we saw this like with my family, I was like, oh my god, this is so worth it. And I was talking about it with my sister-in-law, so she bought it for me. I'm so happy. I use this like once or twice a week, so this one is gonna go for a long time. So that's everything I got, and that's everything for Vlogmas. Every year, like December passes by so fast. You're just like eager for Christmas and the holidays, and then it's already over. But yeah, it's always a good time, and I have another Christmas party tonight, so this is also to look forward to. But in the meantime, thank you so much if you watch all four. If not, go check my channel, but I'll see you really soon next year. Bye!